On the tray, how many green block? Green block. Alex, what matter?
Whoa.
That's right. How many?
2.
That's right. You're a good boy. No, sweetie. No, you can't go back yet. You can.
You want some water? You want some water? You want some water?
Do you want some water, or are you just asking to interrupt? Are you just asking to interrupt? I know you.
Go back.
I know you. Hey.
Green.
Green. Oh, you're a good boy.
He could tell you the number of squares from the number of balls,
He could tell you the number of squares from the number of balls.
the number of each color.
How many blue blocks?
4. I want banana. Carrot.
Good birdie.
I want corn. Coal.
It's cold. Yes, it's cold. It's from the refrigerator.
Go pick up corn.
Well, no, I'm not going to pick up the corn you threw down.
Using his beak, he could tell you what matter objects were made of.
What's here?
Rock.
Good boy.
Rock.
What matter?
What matter, Alex?
Wool. 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 Wool.
Wool is right. Wool.
Wool.
Wool. What toy?
Truck.
That's right. It's your truck.
4.
4 is right. He's choosing from among all the possible answers. Remember, he sees this object. If he was giving a knee-jerk response, he would say paper every time he saw this thing. Say better, what toy?
Keychain.
Is it Alex?
Keychain.
That's right, keychain. Good, Parrot. Keychain. What toy? Nail. That's right.
Corn.
Good. Bean. No, I'm not going to do it.
Green. Paper.
No, green bean. Beak was a phone, a little cell phone. Green bean.
Yummy.
It's yummy, yes. I want you to say green bean. Green bean.
Green.
Bean. Come on, Griff. Green.
Bean.
Come on, Griffin.
Berry.
A banary.
Do you want berry?
I don't want a banary, thank you. Griffin, what kind of nut?
Walnut.
No, it's not a walnut. Pasta.
Do you want berry?
No, I don't want banary. Thank you. Thank you.
Corn.
No, I don't want some corn.
Yummy.
It's yummy, yes. Very good.
Do you want berry?
No, thank you.
I want a grain.
You want a grape or green bean?
I want a green.
How about some green brock?
Yummy.
It's yummy, yeah.
I want corn. Yummy.
Corn. You had your breakfast. I don't know what you have left in your bowl.
Berry.
You can go get a banary. Go see in your bowl if you got banary.
Want corn.
You got some corn in there? I don't know. We might have ran out. I gotta go to the store.
I want corn. Soft corn.
Soft corn, good Parrot. We've got rock corn, that's dried corn, and we've got soft corn too.
Coal.
It's cold, yes, it's cold. It's from the refrigerator.
Go pick up corn.
Well, no, I'm not going to pick up the corn you threw down.
Alex was able to identify an object many ways, by color, size, and so on. This shows cognitive abilities similar to those of 4 to 5-year-old humans.
Green.
4.
That's right. Good boy.
Alex showed that parrots might be able to communicate and to use basic reasoning.